Hello everybody, welcome back. Before we begin today's project, let me share with you something. There's many things I like about being a maker. There's one aspect though that I want to specifically mention today. One of the best parts is being part of this maker community and appreciating the craft that other makers have and watching what they do and learning from them. A while ago I found a woodworker, a craftsman on Facebook that was making something, and when I saw it I immediately knew I had to have one. So I contacted him and I ordered it, and he made it and he shipped it to me. And today I want to introduce to you a new addition to the shop. Something that I am super excited about, really happy to have. Without further ado, let me show you what I got. Ta-da! Look at that! Isn't that one of the... This is really nice. He makes these Lego men out of wood. When I saw it, I was in love immediately. It's just something that I'm really proud to own. And I can honestly say I've studied it up close, and the craftsmanship is incredible. Everything works. He can walk. He can turn his head, move his arms, and his hands can turn. It's incredible. All made out of wood. I've looked at it, studied it a little bit, and I can pretty much figure out how most of it was done. But Kim, if you're watching, these arms, they are so realistic, look like the real thing, and I cannot figure out how we made this shape. This is really beautiful craftsmanship, and I'm really proud and honored to have it in my shop. It is going to have space for now, just behind the pliers. I'm going to put it there now. I first want to tell you that I want to do something on the chest. I want to put my slogan there. I haven't decided yet how I'm going to do it yet. I have not decided that yet. I also thought maybe I should color the top so it looks like he's wearing a black t-shirt. I like to wear t-shirts, and what's the name? But the wood is so beautiful. I don't think I'm going to do that. But I'm still deciding about it. But until then, Lego me is going to stand right here behind the pliers, and he's going to keep a close watch over the shop, over what I do. And I've got so many ideas. I want to try making a little hammer for him to hold in his hands, or maybe, I don't know, there's so many ideas for the future, but for now I just wanted to introduce you to Mini Lego Me, and I want to say thank you, Kim, for making it and sending it to me. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to leave a link to his Facebook page below the video if you are interested in something like this. Alright, in today's video, what are we going to be making? A while ago, my wife asked me for a frame. She wants a frame with a board in it, something that she can hang in the house and that she can put family photographs on it. Like in a collage, she wants to glue it or decoupage it or whatever floats her boat. She wants to put the photos on there, but she needs a nice frame that she can do this in, and she asked me to make one for her, and of course I would do anything for her, so I am delighted to be making this today. It's a simple build. Well, every time I say that, something pops up and kicks me violently in the ass. So let's just say It's not a complicated design. I'm basically going to be using this hardboard. It's a... Now you see me, now you're done. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do before I cut the 45s to make the frame is I'm going to route out approximately halfway through the wood. I'm going to route out 3 millimeters. I want the hardboard to sit in this wood and not on the back of it. Alright everybody, remember you only have 2 eyes, 10 fingers. Don't forget about your ears. Whenever you use power tools, use protection, relevant protection. Right, let's route. I'm almost done with the 3rd piece of wood on the router, and then this happened. Yes, there is smoke coming out of my router. It just stopped, the bit stopped turning, and then there was smoke coming out of, sure it's hot, it's the metal part here is actually burning me. And there was smoke coming out of this part here in the bottom, which means that I am not routing anymore until I can figure out what is wrong with the router. My initial thoughts is that it's not good because the smell of the smoke smells like electrical burn, which is not good, and this thing is very, very hot. Alright, I had a quick discussion with the client, aka my wife, about this minor setbacks and about the path going forward, and together we decided that we are going to go with completely new wood, and we are going to we wanted the natural wood look with the meranti I was using, and now we're going to go with pine, and I'm going to burn it like I did this frame here. I could have, at this point, I could have started with a clean slate and just pretended like this was the plan all along. But I decided, you know what, in life, poop happens. It's nothing you can do about it. Therefore, I've decided to leave the other part in the video, and then we'll just start new. Start with a new plan until I can figure out what's wrong with the router, or replace it, or fix it, or whatever. I'm going to quickly cut the frame and assemble it. Then I can burn it, attach the backboard, and that will be that. Wood glue! Wood glue! Every time, I swear, every time. Is the frame done? As you can see, it's quite a size. 1.2 by 1.2 meters. I'm going to put it down again so the glue can dry without me interfering. I am going to end here. It's done. It only needs a coat of sealer now. I'm not going to show you that at the end because we won't have photographs in here right away. We first have to print them and then do the whole decoupage and everything. So what I will do is, once it's done and all the photographs are in, I will take a picture and share it on my social media account. So please be sure to check my links below and follow me on social media. And then in a couple of weeks from now, you'll get to see a picture with the completed product, and then it will be sealed and everything. But for now, yes, I think it was fun. I learned a lot and I enjoyed it. This was really a lot of fun. If you want to see me making more of these kinds of things, please subscribe and switch the bell on. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this project and how you think it's going to turn out. I would really like to hear from you. Until our next time, thank you for joining me. I appreciate your support. Make your best life. That is a problem. A very big problem. It's probably because I started out by saying this is going to be a simple build. It kind of feels like I just wasted all of this wood. I don't know what to do now. I honestly don't know what to do. I don't have spare wood of this. No clue what I'm going to do. No clue at all. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board now and make a new plan. Yes, I'm going to make a new plan.